Hey first graders, happy Friday! Today we're going to be taking our very first math quiz, okay? So you just need to do your very best and answer the questions as best as you can. Before we get started though, let's go through our vocabulary one more time. The first one's tally marks. Remember, tally marks are 1, 2, 3, 4. Karate chop for 5, okay? Every time you get to a group of 5, you need to karate chop across. A survey is a way to collect data, so that's how we get our information. So we can ask a question like, what is your favorite pet? A tally chart is how we organize the information, okay? It'll show us how many people voted for each category. So this shows me how many people voted for cat, how many people voted for dog, and how many people voted for hamster. Which one got the most? Which one had the greatest number of votes? That's right, cat, because greatest is the biggest number. Which one had the least amount of votes? Look at the tally chart. That's right, the dog, because least means smallest. All right, and then we have our graph. A graph's just another way to show information. Instead of using tallies, we can use these little squares. Total means how many do we have all together. So total is how many in all, okay? A number sentence is adding or subtracting. Then when we say how many more, we need to line up, right? We need to line up our circles or whatever you're using. We got to cross out the pairs, and however many you have left is however many more there are, okay? Then when you do your subtraction sentence, you start with the bigger number, which is 6 here. Take away the smaller number, and it'll get you how many you should have left, okay? For how many fewer, you do pretty much the same thing. So line up your squares or your circles or whatever you're using. Cross out your pairs, and however many you have left is how many fewer. To subtract, remember, take the bigger number, subtract the smaller number, and however many don't have pairs, that'll be your answer, okay? All right, so let's get started on our quiz. I'm going to read each question. After I read it, you need to pause this video so you can work on it, okay? I'm not going to be able to help you with this because we want to see what you know. All right, let's get started. Remember, pause after I read each question so you have time to work on it. All right, so we're going to start. Number 1. First thing you need to do is make a tally chart, okay? You need to use these animals, these are people's favorite animals, and make the tally chart. If we're making a tally chart, that means you need to use tallies. Cross them off as you count each one. Okay, pause the video and press play when you're done. All right, number 1 down here. Which animal had the most votes? Okay, number 2. How many animals are there in all? Pause the video and work on your question. All right. Number 3. This tally chart shows what farm animal children like best. You need to write the number for each animal. So count your tallies and write the number for each animal. After you've done that, you need to circle the animal that the most children like. So pause the video and work on that one. Okay, number 4. Circle the animal that more children like. So do more people like the pig or the sheep? Circle the one that more children like. Then you're going to write how many more liked that one. So how many more kids liked the sheep than the pig? Pause the video and work on that. This one says circle the animal that fewer children like. So which one did fewer children like? The pig or the duck? And then you're going to write how many fewer children like the pig than the duck, okay? Once you're done with this, it's very important that you send this back to your teacher so she can see how much hard work you've been doing. I hope you have a great weekend. I'll see you all later. Bye.